Within ourselves a story fights, DNA a map of life it holds. Every twist and turn, every thread shapes the journey that lies ahead. Health is a battle, quiet yet real, strength and struggle that we all feel. Tiny molecules, mighty and small, carry the secrets of one and all.